Alright, so I've already got the drain plug already loosened off, but and I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna get my flashlight out. Where are we here? There's the drain plug right there. And for perspective, there. It's on the left side of the bike. So I've got that loosened now. So all I'm gonna do is I'm going to crack this. Now, one thing I am not doing 100% correctly is I did not start the bike and let it warm up. But it's not a big deal. It was running earlier today. Put that there. Now I feel like this is going to make a mess. But hopefully not. And I still can't turn that with my hand. Let's see. So this is a 17 millimeter bolt. Of course I can't get in there with that hand there yet. And try not to round this off at the same time. There. Alright, I should be able to turn that. Do that for now, maybe. Maybe that'll work. There we are. Okay, now please don't make a mess. I probably will. It's a little dirty, but that's okay. This is the first oil change. It's not horrible, but yeah, it needs to be done. I put 1,000 miles on this last year. So this is a 1980 CM200T. I believe this procedure is the same for a lot of these CMs, including the 185 and the 250. I think they all have this set up. After this, I will also be attempting, I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but I'm going to attempt to clean the oil screen. There is only 7,300 miles, I think, on this. So I'm just going to let this drain. And once I see the, well, I guess it's starting to trickle out now. So we're going to first wipe our hands. Then we are going to play with the kickstart to get as much oil out of the crankcase. Alright. So I'm going to put the camera down for a second while I do this. All I'm doing, obviously put the kickstart down, and I'm just going to maybe push it down 2 or 3 times, and that's it. Hang on one second. Alright, Tiffany. And we'll let that completely drain. And still drain it a little bit. Although that does seem like a lot less oil than it should be, but maybe I'm wrong. So the interesting part is getting to the oil screen. I have the repair manual. So it's the Honda repair manual. Okay. And covers a lot of them. But if we flip across to section 2, section 2, lubrication. So it tells you oil capacity and a little bit of troubleshooting information. The torque spec on the drain bolt, and it gives you a little information. So then it goes over how to check your oil and then how to change it. So it says remove the filler cap, which we did, and the drain plug and drain the oil. Operate the Kickstarter 2 or 3 times to completely drain any residual oil. Reinstall the drain plug, making sure to seal the seal washer is in good condition. Fill the crankcase with the recommended grade of oil. So I'm going to be using some Castrol fancy stuff. So this is Activo, and it's like a synthetic blend. I originally thought that it was full synthetic, but reading on the back it says that it's actually only part synthetic. Based off of where I am, it says to use 10W40 in the manual, so that's what I'm going to do.